Hello everyone. Today I will make corn milk. First, you need to prepare 2 ears of corn, husked and washed with clean water. Use a knife to separate the corn kernels from the cob without cutting deeply into the cob to avoid losing the smoothness when cooking the milk. After preparing the ingredients, place the corn kernels and 500 milliliters of filtered water into the soy milk maker to create the milk mixture. The amount of water can be adjusted according to the number of people drinking. Wait for the machine to finish the cooking process. The time will depend on the type of machine you use. My machine takes about 30 minutes to cook and blend the corn milk. After cooking, add 600 milliliters of fresh milk and condensed milk to the mixture. Select the blend mode to mix the milk mixture while it is still hot. And there you have it. Delicious corn milk.